Hey everybody, it's Jen here, Gold Glitter Girl. How is everyone? I know it's been a while. I just wanted to jump on and do a quick haul video. Dollar Tree haul. As I've said in a previous video, if you've seen them, it's been a while and I had some medical issues. Was in the hospital for a bit and I'm doing much better now. Haven't really done a whole lot of scrapping here and there. Trying to get back in the craft room, trying to do my thing, but hasn't really happened as much as I would like it to. But I'm trying. So here I am, easing back into things with a quick haul video. And so let me get started and show you what I got. Now I know we've been seeing a lot of the fall decor starting. Some of these will be DIYs, some I just use as is. We just made a quick run into our local Dollar Tree, and so this is the first round, and I just wanted to share with everyone what I got. So this is the set of 2. Super cute. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I really like those. I know everyone's been showing these as well. Sorry, I've got a new setup and I'm filming kind of backwards, so let me know how you like it. It's a little too awkward. So these are really cute, these faux leather pumpkins. So that'll probably go on a sign. Adorable stickers. Sorry for the glare. Most likely these will go in my scrapbook. That's super cute. And they had lots of stickers. Surprisingly, I'll have to go back and get some different ones. We got these set of wooden words here, which I can use these. Sorry, still getting used to this. You can use these on a small sign or in my scrapbook. Now this one, I already unwrapped it. This I've seen in quite a few videos with this texture, and that'll definitely get painted and put out on my, probably on my dining table. Cute. Really heavy too. Really like that one. The little wood pieces from Crafter Square. I especially like the glittery one. Super cute. And then I finally found these. I saw somebody had them on their channel. And this is the first time I've seen them at any of my Dollar Trees. Now, granted, I haven't gone there a whole lot recently, but I picked up 2 of them because if I want to spell anything out, I'll need at least 2. Now, there is another Dollar Tree, a bigger one with a lot more crafting supplies that I'll probably go to pretty soon and check out what they have. So I really like those. And I got the regular wood pumpkin that I'm going to paint. Now remember, I have quite a few from previous years, so I didn't need a ton of new pumpkins. But I did get this style. I really like these carved. These look a little bit more high-end. So I'll definitely use that. They even look good together. I should go back and get a few more like this and I can stack them. Sorry for my bracelet keeps hitting. I think that'll be a really cute DIY, so I might go back and get a few more of those. And then I got this because I've seen a lot of DIYs. I really like the color because it matches my daughter's room. And I think I'm going to just replace the paper in there. to make it match better, and maybe put something interchangeable with the sign, and that'll match really nicely with her room. And I think that's about it for now. So thanks so much for joining me. Happy fall, everyone. I've been looking at everyone's crafting videos, really excited to see those. Oh, and I also got this my last Dollar Tree haul, and I started to paint it, and it's the one that lights up. What you guys think, if you think I should paint the inside. So I left it raw right now. If I should paint this darker, I'm not sure what else I should do with it. It needs a little something. So if you guys could leave me a comment below and let me know what you think I should do with my little light up sign here. Okay, so I guess that's about it for now. I should be back soon with a scrapbook video, maybe a flip through. I have completed a few traveler's journals and traveler's notebooks, and I've also been working on some watercolor. Actually, while I'm here, I'll show you guys my new watercolor set. This is I don't know what brand this was, but I got this on Amazon. Sorry for the glare. But I like the set a lot better than the cheap, had just a cheap Artist Loft set, and I put it away, and I haven't used it in quite a while. So this one, as you can see, I've started using. And the color is really nice, and it wasn't that much money. I think it was maybe $15 or something. And it came with some paper. It came with this nice paper pad. And as you can see, I started kind of putzing around a little bit. Not very good, as you can see. But I like to do the backgrounds. That one's kind of full. Yeah, but it came with a nice thick pad of watercolor paper and a set of brushes. I think it might have been this set here, this Nick Pro. Came with this set of brushes, and it was quite a few. So, not sponsored or anything, but you guys might want to check that out if you're into watercolor. So, all right, so that's it for me. Thanks for tuning in. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment below if you'd like. And hopefully be able to upload some new videos for you guys, some new content. Thanks so much for your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.